Hello and welcome to another video by Tech Espresso. In this video, we'll be showing you how to book our computer repair technicians online through our website. Simply head over to our website at techespresso.ca, that's TECHESPRESSO.ca, or search Tech Espresso online through Google, and you will find us. So head over to our website and click the Book Now button, located approximately in the center of the page. Once you've selected that, then you'll be presented with our booking window. You can select either the Calgary or Edmonton area up top. We visit each area within about 60-70 kilometers of each area, so any surrounding city was fine. Scroll down a little bit and then select either the in-home, business, or remote repair option. For in-home and business, we will be sending a technician to your home or business to repair your computer or device directly there, first visit while you watch. For the remote repair, we would be connecting to your computer over the internet to do the repairs that way. Your computer will need to have a working internet connection for that to be an option. Or select the drop-down for drop-off. If you prefer to drop your computer off with one of our technicians, simply select the area that you're in within that drop-down, and then we will have our technician ready to receive. Once you've selected that option, scroll down a little bit to our calendar and select a day and time that works best for you. We're usually available 7 days a week, Monday through Sunday through Friday. Select the time that works best for you. Enter your first and last name at the top. Your phone number so we can reach you. Our technician will give you a call when he's on his way to let you know he's coming. And in case he needs to be buzzed into your building or whatnot, please leave a phone number that you can be reached at. Along with your email address, we will be sending a confirmation email of this booking to that address and reminders as well before each appointment. Also enter your physical address. This is the address that we'll be sending our technician to. If that address is a home, select home under the location type or business. In the problem description field, please enter your the current issue that you're having with your computer or device, as well as the full model number. That would help us out greatly. If we know the exact model number of your device, the full model number can usually be found on the bottom of your laptop or underneath inside the battery compartment if it's a removable battery. You can upload a file with pictures or a short video explaining your problem as well, if need be. And also select how you found us, if it was through Google or other social media. Just help us out with our statistics that way. Click the I agree to the terms and conditions. You can also view the terms by clicking on the appropriate link right beside that. And complete the booking underneath. Once you've completed that, we'll send a confirmation email to your email address with all the details of that specific booking. And that about wraps it up. If you have any problems booking online, simply give us a call at 587-333-8636. We'll be happy to book that for you. You can also use our chat window on our website to chat with us in real time while visiting. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to taking care of your computer-related problems. We're usually available same day, so when you book us today, we can usually come on that same day and have everything repaired for you immediately. Thank you so much.